You are not focused enough to watch this video till the end in one go. Prove me wrong, stay with me for the next 2 minutes. When solving coding problems, losing focus is normal, but it's fixable. Here are three quick strategies. First, break the problem down. Don't try to swallow the entire problem at once. Split it into smaller steps. What will be the input? What will be the output? What will be the logic? This reduces mental overload. Second, remove distractions. Close unnecessary tabs, mute notifications, and keep your phone away. Your brain can't multitask effectively when debugging. Set micro goals. Instead of saying, I'll finish this problem, say, I'll write the function in 10 minutes. Small wins keep you motivated and focused. Focus isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Next time you code, apply these tips and watch your productivity skyrocket. If you stayed till the end, you just proved me wrong. Drop a comment saying focused and subscribe for more coding hacks.